Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Ecomclips. Nowadays, most Amazon sellers use fulfillment by Amazon services to reach more customers and enhance their business. But it's not beneficial for the sellers who are selling small and cheap items. So what can they do? Won't they avail for the FBA services? Yes, there is an option for them as well, FBA Small and Light program. This is your host 𝐷𝐼𝐻𝐿 and today I am going to discuss what Amazon FBA Small and Light program is and how to enroll in this program. The Small and Light program is a cost-saving initiative that allows you to convey saving to your customers while lowering fulfillment costs for sellers. Tiny, light and quickly moving items were taken into consideration when Amazon created this product. Additionally, this service reduces delivery costs for users. FBA Small and Light program offers free shipping for Prime customer and standard shipping for non-Prime customers. Reduced fulfillment cost, Amazon A to Z guarantee, customer services. To enroll this program, you have to fulfill the requirement. Condition: only products in new condition. Dimension: measurement 18 × 14 × 8 inch or less. Weight 3 pound or less. Price at $10 or less are eligible for a Small and Light program. It must not be under the restricted category. If existing item, it must have sold at least 25 units in the past month. Also, not all categories and products are eligible for this program. Ineligible products are collectible, used and club conditions products. Crushable items like glass and chips. ASINs with more than 30 units of the same product in Standard FBA. Sellers must clear all existing inventory from Standard FBA. We can't add restricted products, adults item, dangerous goods, temperature sensitive products like chocolate and wax items. Please note, crushable products such as potato chips and glass are eligible as long as they are properly packaged. Now I am going to show you how to enroll items on a Small and Light program. So let's move on to the screen. First of all, you need to log into the Seller Central account. Go on Growth option, then select Explore program. Scroll down and click Enroll More Products on a Small and Light program. Click on Enroll Products. Download the enrollment template. After completing the download, open the file. Copy and paste the targeted SKU into the Uploaded tab starting in cell A4. Remove extra spaces before and after your SKU to prevent upload errors. Make sure cell B1 accurately reflects the appropriate marketplace or country. Then save the file. After save the file, you need to upload it. Now click the Browse button on enrollment page and select your newly created file. After selecting the file, click on the Upload Now button. Finally, review and upload status. Upload processing time depends on file size. Monitor the status and results section. Select Refresh for updates. View the processing report within the action field upon availability. Check the report for errors. If any item doesn't meet the Amazon criteria for a Small and Light program, check the item in inventory and do appropriate changes to make it eligible for a Small and Light program. And again re-upload the file. This is how you can enroll a single and bulk number of items on a Small and Light program at a time by using a feed file on Amazon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are looking for more information about Amazon FBA, you can visit our website www.ecomclips.com. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share this video. And to get more brand new videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Ecomclips. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.